What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spikes, and I am back with another lit video. Man, welcome back, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. Y'all, welcome to the channel. It's your boy J Spikes, man. What we do over here is everything. They gotta deal with some cars. We can't never ever keep it about one or two things. It's always about a bunch of stuff, man. So, you know, if you like any and everything that got to do with these cars, man, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure you don't do nothing else, man. Click that notification bell, make it turn gray so you won't miss anything your boy J Spikes got coming. Drop it on the channel, man. If you got any questions, comments, or opinions, you dig? Leave it in the comment box below, baby, because I talk back. As y'all can see, we in the box Chevy today. I don't know what it is, man, but I'm just trying to still push motion with this box Chevy game, man. These box Chevys done turned the internet upside down, man, these last 3 years, in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? And it's just a loving community, man. It's just a culture of none other. And, you know, I got the OBS and it's pressure, it's on swole. We still got it, and we done did everything but the rear end and then the interior and all that. But today, man, let's try to see if we can upgrade this box Chevy one more time for your mind. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere, baby. All right, y'all. Yes, sir. We got the box out today. You know what I'm talking about? We done did a lot to this car, man. We got the box out today. 85 Chevy Impala for all the new people watching, man. I ain't had this car a year, man. I went, if you go back and watch the old videos when I got it, it was sitting up for like 8 years. And it was well taken care of, man. And we've been building on this thing, man. We got both bumper fillers for the front and the back. You know what I'm saying? Got to finish the panorama. You know what I'm saying? I left that fin on there because I had it on my two-door box and it looked pretty decent. So everybody been liking it when they been seeing it. You know what I'm saying? Get the new people another view at it. We're going American base, all mids and highs. You know what I'm talking about? We got the console built on the last few videos, man. Go back and check it out if you want to check that out. You know what I'm saying? We got the American base EQ, American base Symphonies, 4x6s in the dash. Pretty nice, clean interior, man. I also found my speaker grill for that speaker down there. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. But the car pretty clean. It's kind of a little sandy right now because me and my family, we riding this thing because the car rides so good. So we pull it out. We pull it out. Big panorama. You know what I'm saying? Everything work, baby. Everything work, baby. Go, get back. Everything work, baby. Everything work. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, enough fooling around. You know what I'm saying? We done did a lot of work to this car, man. I just got to go back and watch the old videos for all the new people. But yeah, today we're gonna get on these shocks. Y'all see this car? We got them 15s in the back, them sundowns, and we got a lot of music in this car, man. And it got a lot going in the car. So this car here, man, is y'all see that? Bounce, 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 bounce. And that side over there, it's a little better than the other side, but it's bad too. So what we're gonna do, these original shocks on this car, today what we're gonna do is, we're going air shocks, baby. We're going air shocks. I got the air shocks in here right now. You know what I'm saying? I got the whole kit. AC DELCO joints. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we finna get them things on there. Air shocks, baby. Yes, sir. We trying to ride right. Got all the hardware and everything in it too. So, well, yeah, I'm gonna get my jack, get my rug mat, get my light, get my tools, jack this thing up, put them stands up on it, and let's see, man, let's just get a measurement for just icks and giggles. Let's get a measurement of how low this sitting, cause this side the worst, I believe. Sometimes the other side sit lower, but let's get a measurement, a before and after measurement from the ground to the bottom. It's about, I say about 12 24 3/4. We're gonna call that 24 3/4. We're gonna call that 24 3/4, man. We're gonna get some real results on this thing today, so y'all can actually see, man, how good they do. All right, and right here we got about, I'm gonna say about 25 and let's see, 25 and a half, 25 and 5/8, somewhere up in there. So yeah, let me get them tools out and let's see if we can jack this thing up, man. Make a ride a little bit better, man. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere. All right, y'all. Got the car jacked up. Got that rear end in the air a little bit. I might need to get it a little bit higher, but I got it up though. So we're finna see if we can get this thing going. Get this thing jumping. I got the kit all broke out. It come with both of your shocks. Come with your airlines, your fittings, and all that. Your little adapters in there. All that crap like that. And it come with your hardware for your bottom pieces. So yeah, man. Let me see if I can get up under here. I already been up under there, and I'm gonna get the right sockets and stuff that I need. And we're gonna see if we can get these old shocks out, man. See if we can get these new shocks on. See if we can get the riding a little bit better. It's all about quality, baby. It's all about quality. Yes, sir. Stay tuned. We working. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere. All right, y'all. I done made a little progress. It's been about, I don't know, 20 or 30 minutes. And I done got I got one of the shocks off. As you can see, right here. One of them old shocks. You got one bolt right there. And then you got two that's right up there. Right up there. Right behind that exhaust. If you can see. Don't look at that ugly pipe. Right there. You see that bolt right there in the middle of the screen? It's two of them right there. Boom, boom. Them two right there. So yeah, you do that. And you can pull the old John out. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. So alright. Man, look at that old thing. Man, look like an old replacement. It don't look like an old factory. Not to me. Y'all boys gonna let me know down in the comments, but I feel like that's an old replacement. But out with the old, in with the new. Let's go back in with this new one. We're gonna get them in there. See what you talking about, baby. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. I got the old joints off of there. That one look worse than that other one. I got all my lines ran. I got my fitting on there. It's all tight. Got my shocks in there. They all bolted in pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? Got my lines ran real nice and neat. Can't even see my lines on this side. I got them ran through the frame on this side. And I put my little clips. Put them little clips on the side of the gas tank. So you can't really see none of my lines really. And there go that valve right there. All you do is put them little valves together. That's simple. I feel like any grown man can do that right there. Put them little valves together, run your lines, man. And that's all it is to it. Shoot a little air in her. And she should be working. So, let's see if we can get all this junk picked up, all these tools, get these jacks pulled out the way, let this thing down, put a couple pounds of air in it, and see what she looking like. Y'all stay tuned, baby. Yes, sir. Watch this heat. Alright, y'all, I got them shocks on there. Got everything aired up. I put a little bit of air in it. And she looking a little better. Check that out. She's a lot better. She's a lot better. I'm a little valve cap there, you know, where you put a little air in it, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You gotta fill it up. Might as well go on here, put that little cap on there right now. But she ain't sagging in the ass end no more. Yeah. See what I'm saying? She's sitting up pretty low. I let it down just a tad bit in the back, but it's sitting a lot better now. I know you can tell through the camera, cause I see it through the camera. It look a lot better now than sitting down on the butt. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. That's a lot better, my friend. Alright, y'all, I'm probably gonna take this thing and go on a little spin and see how it rides. Ooh wee. Y'all hold on. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere. Ooh wee. Alright, y'all, I done made it to the little dollar store down the road from my place and took a little ride on it, man. She riding good. I ain't gonna lie. She riding real good. No jumping, no bouncing, none of that. And it look a little better. As you can see, the height. Look a lot different, man. Look a lot different. So what we did was, I want to make sure no. We ain't got no wires hanging. You don't see none of the lines hanging under there or nothing. So, but like I said, man, we just came to the dollar store to get a little charcoal and some lighter fluid so I could cook some little meat or something. But she looking good. No drips. She ain't running no drips, AC on. You know what I'm saying? The car run good, man. We're gonna make history with this car, man. We're gonna make some history with this car. I ain't playing. I ain't worried about how she look till I get everything cosmetic done that I want to do to it. I'm gonna put them Dakota digital sequential tail lights in it too. Oh yeah, I said it. I said I'm gonna put them Dakota digital sequential tail lights in it, you know. So we got a long way to go. I ain't had the car that long, so, but she running good. Got the AC going. Now she riding good. We got the air shocks on her. I got my kids in the back, but yeah, she riding real good, y'all. Real good. Oh, let me cut some of that copyright off real quick. Ooh, and you know that for certain. But yeah, man, we got the shocks on. We finna go back to the house. I'm gonna get this last ride because it's this little one bump that I want to go over, and I want to see how it feels when I go over that bump. Because every time I went over that bump before I changed the air shock, that sun gun slapped on the bump every time. So, but yeah, when we get back to the house, we'll do an outro on this video, and yo, I'll give y'all my final thoughts on what I think about the air shocks. Y'all hold on, watch this heat. Don't go nowhere. Alright, y'all, we done made it back to the crib with that thing. We done made it back to the crib with that thing, man. You hear me? Man, I can't be no more pleased than I am, man, with these air shocks on this car, man. Them air shocks, them AC DELCO air shocks are the truth. My car riding like a totally different car. Man, you might not believe me, but I'm telling you, this car ride like a totally different car coming from them heavy speakers and all that music in the trunk, and the air shocks being so old, the shocks being so old and gone out, and they just sitting there just bouncing. Every time I hit a hump, I feel like I'm hitting the top of the wheel. Man, we went from that to sitting real good and sitting real pretty. And man, she got a nice little stance to it, man, and she hold it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm pleased with it, man. I mean, you can't ask for no more, man. And I done told y'all, man, it's going down. It's going down. Hey, listen, I done told y'all, man. I done told y'all we turning this car up, man. We're gonna try to make this thing look like something, man. We're gonna try to turn it into something, man. We're gonna try to make it look phenomenal as possible, man. I ain't playing no game, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure y'all don't miss anything that's going on with this old rust bucket, man, because it ain't gonna look like this, it ain't gonna sound like this, it ain't gonna smell like this for long, you hit me? I ain't playing no game, man. It's your boy J Spikes. I don't play no games. Man, we gotta turn these things into something. We gotta keep these old cars on the road, man, because they deserve it, man. They been through a lot, and if they still making it, any one of them, man, if you find one, get it out, drag it out the backyard, man. I don't care what nobody say, man. Your cousin, which he said, oh man, leave it alone. Drag that car out drag it out the yard, man, and start spending some money on it and bring it back to life, man. It'll probably be the best thing you ever done, man. You won't regret it. It's my 3rd box Chevy, and I'm gonna try to make this one my best box Chevy, and probably my last box Chevy. I get tired of spending money on the same type of vehicles, man. It's time to do something different. You feel me? But yeah, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy J Spikes. I'm gonna go and get out of here, man. On to the next one. Peace. Listen. Hold up, y'all. Before we even get out of here, I forgot. Before we get out of here, man, I want to let y'all know that y'all make sure y'all tuned in and got them notification bells turned on all, man, so you won't miss nothing coming down on this car right here, or the OBS that's sitting over there. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you tune in on this box Chevy, man, because it's going all over. It's gonna be crazy. You ain't gonna want to miss it, man. I'm telling you. I got 70 foot of welding cable coming, so the music. This week sometime, we should be making some noise and clapping this trunk. So, you know what I'm saying? We got the lithium battery built. You know what I'm saying? We finna wire this whole car up. I got my highest came in today, the Godfather 6.5s. If you just tuning in, man, make sure you go watch some of them old videos of us building this car, man. And when we first got it out the graveyard. And I mean, you probably would appreciate it, man. But I just want to leave y'all with that real quick. I'm gonna get on out of here, quit holding up your time, man. Y'all go enjoy y'all day and stay blessed. I'm out, man. Peace.